Imagine this. You're standing on the edge of adulthood, staring into a future filled with endless possibilities. But beneath the excitement, a storm is brewing. Academic stress, career uncertainty, financial struggles, social pressure, and relationship drama. These challenges hit hard, don't they? But here's the good news. You can navigate through the storm and come out stronger. Want to know how? Let's dive in. Welcome back to Personal Development TV. In today's video, we're tackling some of the biggest challenges young adults face today, from academic stress to financial hardships and relationship issues. If you're feeling overwhelmed by career choices, social media pressure, or the fear of failure, this video is for you. I'll be sharing practical strategies to not only survive, but thrive in the face of adversity. Stick around, and by the end, you'll walk away with tools to help you conquer whatever life throws at you. The first challenge facing young adults is academic pressure. Let's talk about academic pressure. Raise your hand if you've ever felt like you have to be the perfect student, constantly striving for A's, feeling like a failure if you don't measure up. The truth is, the perfect student is a myth. No one gets it right all the time, and expecting yourself to be flawless will only lead to burnout. Instead, let's focus on self-compassion and setting realistic expectations. Your worth is not tied to a grade. On a practical note, you need a solid time management system. Try using a weekly planner or digital tools like Trello to keep track of assignments. Studies show that managing your time efficiently reduces stress by 25%. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek academic support. Whether it's tutoring, study groups, or just asking your professor for help, it's all part of the journey. The second challenge facing young adults is career uncertainty. Now let's talk about career uncertainty, something nearly every young adult struggles with. Not knowing what path to take can be paralyzing. But here's the secret: you don't have to have it all figured out right away. Career exploration is crucial. Start by asking yourself, what are you passionate about? What type of work energizes you? Even if you make mistakes along the way, every experience teaches you something. Networking is key here. Did you know that 85% of jobs are filled through networking? Start building relationships with professionals in industries that interest you. Connect on LinkedIn, attend webinars, and don't be afraid to ask questions. And remember, there's no such thing as a wrong career move, only stepping stones to finding your true path. So take calculated risks and don't let the fear of failure hold you back. The third challenge facing young adults is financial hardships. Now let's talk money. Financial hardships are one of the top sources of stress for young adults. Learning how to manage your money early is a game changer. Let's start with the basics. Budgeting. A study by US Bank showed that only 41% of Americans follow a budget. Imagine how much financial stress we could avoid if more of us did. Start by tracking your income and expenses with apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB. If you're dealing with student loans, it can feel like you're drowning in debt, but there are strategies to manage it. Look into income-driven repayment plans, which can reduce your monthly payments based on what you earn. And don't forget about financial aid options. There are tons of scholarships and grants out there, just waiting for someone like you to apply for them. The fourth challenge facing young adults is social pressures. Let's switch gears to something that hits everyone hard. Social pressures, especially thanks to social media. It can feel like you're constantly comparing your life to others. Everyone seems to be living their best life online, right? But remember, social media is a highlight reel. It's important to take a break. Do a social media detox every now and then. Studies show that reducing screen time can lower stress and anxiety by up to 20%. Instead, focus on building healthy, real-life relationships. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and avoid toxic influences. Self-care is also critical here. Find activities that recharge you, whether that's journaling, meditating, or just taking a walk in nature. When you invest in your mental health, your overall well-being improves dramatically. The fifth challenge facing young adults is relationship challenges. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about relationships. Whether it's romantic partners, friends, or family, navigating relationships can be tricky. The key? Communication. Studies show that couples who practice open and honest communication are 40% more likely to stay together long-term. Learn to express your feelings without fear and always listen to your partner with empathy. Boundaries are essential too. If someone is overstepping your limits, it's okay to say no. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect. And if things are tough, don't be afraid to seek professional help. Therapy can be a great resource for improving emotional well-being and solving issues that may feel too big to handle on your own. Let's look at the takeaways from this presentation. All right, let's recap. We've talked about everything from handling academic stress to managing finances and navigating tricky relationships. The storm of young adulthood may seem overwhelming, but with the right tools, you can weather it and come out stronger on the other side. Remember, challenges are a part of life, but they don't define you. How you face them does. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and let me know what challenges you're currently facing. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. The journey is just beginning, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video. Also, be sure to click on the links in the description for more personal development content and other excellent products. Share this video with friends who need a little guidance navigating the storm of adulthood, and drop your own challenges in the comments below. Let's talk about it.